Welcome to London. Get ready to explore this vibrant city that pulsates with life, offering a captivating blend of history, culture, and excitement. From the majestic Houses of Parliament to the vibrant energy of Camden Market, London is a city of contrasts. So let's dive in and discover what makes London truly special. London's story spans over 2 millennia, leaving behind a rich tapestry of history. We'll trace the footsteps of kings and queens, explore ancient castles, and uncover the secrets hidden within London's historic walls. Get ready for a captivating journey through London's past. While London's iconic landmarks are a must-see, the city's true magic often lies off the beaten path. We'll venture beyond the tourist traps to uncover hidden courtyards, secret gardens, and local haunts. Get ready for an authentic London experience. Big Ben, standing tall at the north end of the Palace of Westminster, is more than just a clock tower. It's a symbol of London's enduring spirit. During World War II, when German bombs rained down on London, Big Ben continued to chime, even as the surrounding buildings suffered significant damage. Today, Big Ben remains a symbol of London's strength, resilience, and enduring spirit. The Tower of London, a historic fortress situated on the north bank of the River Thames, stands as a testament to centuries of British history. One of the tower's most enduring legends involves its resident ravens. According to folklore, at least 6 ravens must reside at the tower at all times, or the kingdom will fall. The tower serves as a poignant reminder of London's rich and often turbulent past. Westminster Abbey, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, stands as a testament to centuries of British history and spirituality. Stepping into Westminster Abbey is akin to stepping back in time. Visitors can wander through the Abbey's Poets' Corner, where literary giants like Geoffrey Chaucer, Charles Dickens, and William Blake are laid to rest. A visit to Westminster Abbey is a journey through British history, a chance to connect with the past and reflect on the enduring power of tradition and legacy. Buckingham Palace, the London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom, stands as a symbol of British royalty and national pride. During the summer months, parts of Buckingham Palace are open to the public. Whether witnessing the changing of the guard ceremony or marveling at its architectural splendor, a visit to Buckingham Palace is an unforgettable experience. South Bank, stretching along the southern bank of the River Thames, is a vibrant cultural hub that seamlessly blends history, art, and entertainment. As you wander along the South Bank, be sure to visit the Tate Modern, housed within a former power station. For a taste of local flavor, head to Borough Market, a foodie paradise teeming with fresh produce, artisan cheeses, and street food from around the globe. Whether you're seeking culture, entertainment, or simply a picturesque stroll along the river, South Bank is a must-visit destination in London. Brick Lane, located in the heart of London's East End, is a vibrant melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and creativity. For a taste of Brick Lane's culinary heritage, venture into one of the many curry houses that line the street. On Sundays, Brick Lane transforms into a bustling market with vendors selling everything from vintage clothing to handmade jewelry. Escape the hustle and bustle of central London with a visit to Richmond, a charming borough located in southwest London. Richmond Park, a sprawling 2,500-acre park, is a true highlight of the area. After a day of exploring, head to one of Richmond's charming pubs, many of which boast centuries-old histories. Portobello Road Market, stretching for over a mile through the heart of Notting Hill, is a world-renowned destination for antique lovers, bargain hunters, and anyone seeking a unique shopping experience. Beyond its antique offerings, Portobello Road Market is also a great place to find unique fashion items, handmade jewelry and artwork by local artists. Portobello Road Market is a true London gem, a place where history, culture, and commerce converge to create an unforgettable experience. Tucked away in the heart of Covent Garden lies Neal's Yard, a hidden oasis bursting with color and tranquility. This secluded courtyard, hidden from the bustling streets just beyond its entrance, feels like a secret garden, a world away from the city's hustle and bustle. Its brightly painted buildings, adorned with flowers and overflowing window boxes, create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. Neal's Yard is a haven for independent businesses, each adding to the courtyard's unique charm. Browse the shelves of Neal's Yard Remedies, a pioneering health and beauty brand known for its natural and organic products. Indulge in a cup of freshly brewed coffee at one of the courtyard's cozy cafes, or savor a delicious vegetarian meal at the renowned Wild Food Cafe. The history of Neal's Yard is as fascinating as its present-day charm. In the 17th century, the courtyard was home to stables and workshops. In the 1970s, it was transformed into a pedestrianized haven, a testament to the power of community and creativity. Today, Neal's Yard stands as a testament to London's ability to surprise and delight, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Whether you're seeking a moment of peace amidst the city's chaos, a unique shopping experience, or simply a taste of London's hidden charm, a visit to Neal's Yard is a must. Escape the urban jungle without ever leaving the city at the Barbican Conservatory, a hidden oasis nestled within the brutalist architecture of the Barbican estate. This sprawling indoor garden, the second largest conservatory in London, transports visitors to a tropical paradise complete with lush greenery, exotic plants, and even a cascading waterfall. Stepping into the Barbican Conservatory is like entering another world. The air is thick with humidity, the scent of tropical flowers fills your senses, and the sounds of the city fade into the background. Wander through pathways lined with towering ferns, marvel at cacti that reach towards the glass ceiling, and discover hidden ponds teeming with koi fish. The Barbican Conservatory is home to over 2,000 species of plants from around the world, from delicate orchids to towering palm trees. Keep an eye out for the resident terrapins, who often bask in the sun near the water features. Step back in time at Wilton's Music Hall, a beautifully restored Victorian music hall that has been entertaining audiences for over 160 years. Tucked away on a quiet street in East London, Wilton's is a true hidden gem, a testament to the enduring power of live performance and the resilience of London's theatrical heritage. Wilton's Music Hall is a feast for the eyes. The ornate interior with its cast iron columns, ornate balconies, and plush velvet seating has been lovingly restored to its former glory. London is a city steeped in history, and its streets are lined with reminders of the countless individuals who have shaped its cultural, political, and artistic landscape. Keep an eye out for the iconic blue plaques that adorn buildings across the city, each commemorating a notable figure who once lived or worked there. The Blue Plaque Scheme, run by English Heritage, has been celebrating London's heritage since the 19th century. From literary giants like Virginia Woolf and Charles Dickens to musical icons like Freddie Mercury and Jimi Hendrix, the blue plaques offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives of those who have left an indelible mark on the city. Follow in the footsteps of your favorite historical figures by embarking on a self-guided blue plaque tour. English Heritage offers a handy online map that allows you to search for plaques by name, location, or category. Discover the homes of famous writers, the studios of renowned artists, or the sites of pivotal historical events. Borough Market, nestled under the railway arches near London Bridge, is a sensory overload in the best possible way. A symphony of aromas, from freshly baked bread to exotic spices, wafts through the air. This historic market, dating back to the 13th century, is a foodie's paradise with fresh produce, artisan cheeses, and street food. Wander through the market's maze of stalls where passionate vendors share their love of food. Beyond food, soak up the local atmosphere and enjoy live music. Borough Market is a feast for all the senses. Step into a vibrant world of color, aroma, and flavor in London's Chinatown, a bustling neighborhood located in the heart of the West End. Adorned with red lanterns, pagoda-style phone boxes, and shop fronts displaying Chinese characters, Chinatown offers an immersive experience that transports you to the heart of East Asia. Beyond its visual spectacle, Chinatown is a culinary destination in its own right, home to some of the most authentic and delicious Chinese food in London. No trip to London would be complete without experiencing the quintessential British pub. These historic establishments, many of which date back centuries, are more than just places to grab a drink. They are community hubs, steeped in tradition and brimming with character. And what better way to experience a traditional pub than by indulging in some classic British pub grub? From hearty pies and fish and chips to Sunday roasts with all the trimmings, pub food is all about comfort, flavor, and generosity. Settle into a cozy corner, order a pint of local ale or a refreshing cider, and prepare to savor the flavors of classic British cuisine. Don't be surprised if you find yourself striking up a conversation with the locals at the bar. Pubs are known for their friendly and welcoming atmosphere. London's culinary scene has evolved to embrace a world of flavors and influences. From Michelin-starred restaurants helmed by celebrity chefs to street food stalls offering innovative takes on global cuisine, London is a city that truly celebrates the art of eating. For a special occasion, treat yourself to a fine dining experience at one of London's many acclaimed restaurants. Sample innovative tasting menus, indulge in exquisite wine pairings, and experience the creativity and artistry of some of the world's most talented chefs. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply appreciate the finer things in life, London's culinary scene has something to offer everyone. To make the most of your London adventure, keep a few practical tips in mind. Invest in an Oyster card or use contactless payment methods for seamless travel on London's public transport network. The Oyster card, a reusable smart card, offers significant savings compared to purchasing individual tickets and can be used on the underground, buses, trams, and even some river services. London is a city best explored on foot, so be sure to pack comfortable walking shoes. The city's streets are a treasure trove of hidden gems, from charming courtyards to quirky shops, so embrace the opportunity to wander and discover London's hidden corners at your own pace. Carry a reusable water bottle and stay hydrated, especially during the warmer months. Take advantage of London's many free attractions, from world-class museums like the British Museum and the National Gallery to sprawling parks like Hyde Park and Regent's Park. Immerse yourself in art, culture, and history without breaking the bank. Many museums also offer free guided tours, providing a deeper insight into their collections. London is a city that embraces its culinary diversity, offering a world of flavors to explore. From Michelin-starred restaurants to street food markets, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Don't be afraid to venture beyond the tourist traps and discover hidden culinary gems tucked away in local neighborhoods. Ask locals for recommendations and embrace the opportunity to sample London's eclectic food scene. London's energy shifts with the seasons, each one painting the city in different hues. On New Year's Eve, head to the Thames for a dazzling fireworks display. Summer in London is a time for outdoor festivities. Hyde Park hosts legendary musicians under the open sky. As the air turns crisp, London embraces the holiday spirit. Hyde Park's Winter Wonderland offers ice skating and Christmas markets. August brings the Notting Hill Carnival, Europe's largest street festival. Celebrate Caribbean culture with music, dance, and vibrant costumes. London isn't just a city, it's a collection of unique experiences, a tapestry woven from history, culture, and the vibrant energy of its people. From its iconic landmarks and world-class museums to its hidden courtyards and eclectic neighborhoods, London offers something to ignite the imagination and capture the heart. We've journeyed through time, uncovering the stories behind its famous sights and delving into the secrets of its hidden gems. We've explored bustling markets, savored diverse cuisines, and experienced the city's pulse through its alternative transportation and seasonal celebrations. But this is just a glimpse of what London has to offer. London is a city that begs to be explored, a place where every corner whispers stories of the past and present. So, pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and embark on your own London adventure. Let the city's energy inspire you. its history captivate you, and its unique charm leave an imprint on your heart. Until next time, London.